Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I thought to speak about growth to you. And when I think about growth, the plant that strikes my mind is bamboo plant. We all have seen bamboo plants almost in every shop in today's time. They are selling it. What is the reason behind it? What does it do if we keep it at home? What happens? Today I thought to speak about it. Bamboo plants signify growth. Bamboos grow very well in soil. So if you plant them in soil, they grow very quickly. You can also put them in water, but you need to see to it that you change that water every week, or whenever it gets dirty, you need to change it because bamboo grows very well in fresh water. Bamboo, as I said, signifies growth, and growth is really very important in our lives. I always believe that the staircases that we have at our home, in case if you have any staircase at your home, those staircases signify growth because it takes us from one level to another level. We go up, we climb and we go up. So staircases are really very important. In case if you have stairs at your home, then put a bamboo plant at the start, at the first or the second step of the staircase because it will increase your growth. It will lead you towards growth. If in case like you are staying on ground floor or the top floor or just in general do not have any staircase at your home, then don't worry. What we can do is keep this bamboo plant in northeast of your house. Northeast is the area of our thoughts, our mind, our ideas. And keeping bamboo plant in northeast will increase our creativity. And bamboo plant is all about growth, freshness, creativity, greenery. So keep bamboo plant over here, but in water. And see to it that it is in fresh water always. Change the water whenever it gets dirty. Also, you can keep bamboo plant or try to keep mostly in transparent tall vases from where you can see its roots. It is really very good. It is better to keep in such vases. Regarding bamboo plant, try bamboo plant as I said, it signifies growth, clarity. So try to keep most of the objects or things that signify clarity or creativity or growth and thinking pattern, ideas, such objects and things or such symbols in northeast direction. It will help your thinking pattern. It will increase your creativity, your thought process, and give clarity of mind, your thoughts. Try keeping this bamboo plant at your homes and see the difference, the positivity and the freshness that it brings in your house. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.